Welcome to It's Fact TV. We're thrilled to have you with us today. Today we're taking a giant leap into space, embarking on an incredible journey as we explore the most fascinating and lesser-known facts about the moon. From its mysterious formation billions of years ago to its critical role in Earth's stability, affecting tides and even the length of our days, the moon has captivated human imagination for centuries. Ancient civilizations worshipped it, and poets have written about its beauty. How much do we really know about it? What secrets does it still hold? Over the next few minutes, we're going to unlock some of the moon's secrets, delving into its hidden mysteries and reveal the science behind its most intriguing features. From its phases to its surface composition, get ready for a cosmic adventure that will expand your understanding of the universe as we uncover the mind-blowing truths behind our nearest celestial neighbor. The moon is more than just a rock in space. Make sure to subscribe for more eye-opening content. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. So how did the moon come to be? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries. The prevailing scientific theory is nothing short of dramatic and awe-inspiring. Imagine this: the early solar system, a chaotic and violent place filled with planetary debris, asteroids, and protoplanets. A young Earth collides with a Mars-sized object in a colossal cosmic crash, sending molten rock and debris hurtling into space, creating a spectacular celestial event. This debris, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, slowly begins to coalesce, forming what we now know as the moon, our constant companion in the night sky. This impact theory explains a lot about the moon's composition, which is surprisingly similar to Earth's, shedding light on our shared cosmic history. The moon might appear large in our night sky, but how big is it really? With a diameter of 3,474 kilometers, it's roughly the size of the continental United States. Compared to Earth, it's actually quite small. Earth's diameter is almost 4 times larger. That's like comparing a basketball to a tennis ball. Even though the moon is relatively small, its proximity to Earth makes it appear much larger than other celestial objects, and that's what makes it so visually captivating. On average, the moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth. The moon's distance from Earth isn't constant. It follows an elliptical orbit, meaning it gets closer and farther away at different points in its journey. Now, let's talk about the moon's surface area. Spread across this celestial canvas is approximately 38 million square kilometers. To put that in perspective, imagine the continent of Africa. The moon's surface area is roughly equivalent to that entire landmass. Every inch of it tells a story, written over billions of years by asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless bombardment of solar wind. Ever dreamed of being lighter on your feet? On the moon, that dream becomes a reality. With a gravitational pull about 1/6 that of Earth's, you'd weigh considerably less. A 150-pound person on Earth would weigh a mere 25 pounds on the moon. The moon is much less massive than Earth, meaning its gravitational pull is weaker. When it comes to extreme temperatures, the moon takes the cake. Without an atmosphere to regulate temperature, the lunar surface experiences wild swings between scorching hot and frigidly cold. During the day, temperatures can soar to 127 degrees Celsius, or 260 degrees Fahrenheit. But as soon as the sun sets, the temperature plummets to minus 173 degrees Celsius, or minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Ever wish days were longer? On the moon, you'd get your wish. A single day on the moon, measured from sunrise to sunrise, lasts a whopping 29.5 Earth days. Looking up at the moon, it's hard to miss its most prominent feature: craters. These pockmarks are the result of billions of years of asteroid and meteorite impacts. Some craters are small, while others are enormous. Take the South Pole Aitken Basin, for example, stretching 2,500 kilometers across. Each crater tells a story of a violent collision from space. You might notice dark, flat plains on the moon's surface. These areas, called Maria, were once mistaken for actual bodies of water by early astronomers. But we now know that these Maria are actually ancient lava flows. Billions of years ago, volcanic eruptions on the moon spewed out vast amounts of molten rock, forming these expansive plains. Throughout history, the moon's changing appearance has captivated skywatchers. As the moon orbits Earth, the angle at which we see the illuminated portion of its surface changes, creating the 8 distinct phases of the moon. It's a celestial ballet that has played out for billions of years. The moon's gravitational pull tugs on Earth's oceans, creating a bulge of water on the side facing the moon. These bulges create high tides, while the areas between them experience low tides. The moon plays a vital role in stabilizing Earth's climate. Our planet's axial tilt, which gives us our seasons, is primarily stabilized by the moon's gravitational influence. Without the moon's stabilizing presence, Earth's axial tilt would be much more chaotic, potentially leading to extreme and unpredictable climate shifts. While the moon might seem like a quiet place, it actually experiences its fair share of seismic activity. These moonquakes are caused by tidal stresses from Earth's gravitational pull. Unlike earthquakes, moonquakes can persist for much longer, sometimes up to an hour. These moonquakes provide valuable insights into the moon's internal structure. Believe it or not, there's evidence of water ice on the moon. This water ice is found in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles, where temperatures are cold enough to prevent the ice from sublimating. These ice deposits are thought to have originated from comet and asteroid impacts over billions of years. The discovery of water ice on the moon has significant implications for future lunar missions. There's a common misconception that the far side of the moon is always dark, but this isn't true. The far side receives just as much sunlight as the near side. The reason we only ever see one side of the moon from Earth is due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. The moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits Earth, which keeps the same face pointing towards us. Have you ever wondered why the sky is always black on the moon even during the day? It's because the moon has no significant atmosphere. Unlike Earth, the moon's gravity is too weak to hold on to an atmosphere. This lack of atmosphere means there's no weather on the moon. No wind, no rain, no clouds. On July 20th, 1969, humanity achieved one of its greatest technological feats, landing humans on the moon. This monumental event marked a significant milestone in space exploration and human ingenuity. The Apollo 11 mission, crewed by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, captured the world's attention. These brave astronauts embarked on a journey that would forever change our understanding of space and our place in the universe. As Neil Armstrong took one small step onto the lunar surface, he uttered the now iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This moment was broadcasted live to millions of viewers around the globe. The Apollo missions left an indelible mark on human history, inspiring generations to dream big and reach for the stars. The legacy of Apollo 11 continues to influence scientific endeavors and the pursuit of knowledge. The moon's surface is covered in a fine, powdery substance called regolith. This lunar soil is formed over billions of years by the constant bombardment of micrometeoroids, solar wind, and cosmic rays. Regolith is incredibly fine, like flour, and it gets everywhere. Understanding the properties of regolith is crucial for future lunar missions. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2025. This time, the goal is to establish a sustainable presence on the moon, building a lunar base camp that will serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. Artemis is about more than just returning to the moon, it's about pushing the boundaries of human exploration. The future of lunar exploration is bright, filled with possibilities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. For millennia, the moon has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and even fear. It has played a significant role in shaping human culture, inspiring myths, legends, and religious beliefs across the globe. From ancient lunar calendars to modern-day moon landing conspiracy theories, the moon continues to captivate our collective imagination. The moon, our celestial companion, holds a special place in the human psyche. Thanks for joining us on this lunar adventure. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about the moon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to It's Fact TV. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to explore next. Until then, keep looking up. Remember, The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep that sense of wonder alive.